I am going to see if I can make $100 on YouTube in just 7 days. I am aiming at making this with just Google AdSense revenue alone. So here is my current YouTube balance of $15. And in the next 7 days, I will come back and I will show you how much I have made so far, starting from the videos that I'm posting today. Now, concerning the title of this video, we are starting right now. Wanting to make money on YouTube quickly is a goal that is relatable to many of us. I mean, who wouldn't want to monetize their content and start any revenue from their own passion as soon as possible? Every content creator, right? And this is something that can be achieved despite what you must have heard or seen online. One of the biggest misconceptions about making money on YouTube is that it takes years of hard work and massive audience to start seeing significant returns. Yeah, there are some elements of truth in that. But while having a large audience certainly helps, having a large audience is not the only key that is in play here. There are plenty creators out there who are making thousands of dollars on YouTube with relatively small and highly engaged audience. The reality is, making money on YouTube requires a combination of right strategies, consistency, and the willingness to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of the platform. However, one way that works like magic is this: go and learn how to make money, then come to the YouTube platform and teach people how to make money online. See, it's not just about uploading videos after videos and hoping that the best is going to happen. No, you need to be intentional about how you approach your content. Engage with your audience and optimize your videos for maximum visibility. Many creators get discouraged when they hear that it takes years to build a successful YouTube channel. Yeah, a lot of creators get discouraged, but sometimes it takes years. Truthfully, they think that making money on YouTube is only possible for a selected few who have been doing it for a long time. But that's not true. With the right approach, you can start making money on YouTube faster than you think. When it comes to monetizing your YouTube content quickly, there are several strategies you can use. One of the most effective ways is through affiliate marketing, and that is by promoting products or services of other companies or content creators, then earning a commission on each sale that you made through that referral link that they will give to you, your referral link. You can start generating revenue quickly without any massive audience or any massive following. Another strategy is through sponsorship, where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. And you do not need a massive following to do this. The only thing you need to do is approach these brands and tell them that you can sell their products, and they will agree that you should make a video for them. Leveraging trending topic is another way to quickly monetize your content. By creating content around topics that are currently popular, you can attract a large audience and increase your chances of making money through that large following by placing ads on your videos, sponsorship, or affiliate marketing, just like I've mentioned earlier. You can also use YouTube merch, that is by selling one or two things through the YouTube merchandise feature. This merch feature helps you to sell merchandise to your audience, which can be a quick way to earn some extra cash. Also, optimizing your video SEO is a powerful tip that can drastically improve your chances of earning money fast on YouTube. By using keywords strategically, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and writing compelling titles, you can increase your video's visibility and attract more views. This can lead to more clicks on your affiliate links, more views on your ads, and more sales on your merchandise. One of the most important things to keep in mind when it comes to making money on YouTube quickly, you need to stay focused. Stay focused on providing value to your audience. Remember, I say value to your audience. I'm not talking about high quality content. I am creating this video on an Android phone. I'm going to edit it on an Android phone. I do not even have an iPhone. But then if you provide value, people will stay. Also, try to create money and finance related videos as well. I know it can be tempting to try to trick the system and use one or two shortcuts to get rich quick, but the truth is, building a loyal audience takes time and effort. But by consistently creating valuable content that resonates with your audience or anybody who come across your video, you will be more likely to attract and retain viewers who will support you financially or consistently view your content just to have you make more money through Google AdSense revenue. Listen, making money on YouTube quickly is definitely possible by leveraging strategies like affiliate marketing, sponsorship, making money and finance videos, and optimizing your video SEO. You can start any revenue faster than you think. Remember to stay focused and provide value to your audience or anybody who will click on your videos. And don't get discouraged by all those bad comments and all those people who will say bad stuff about your video and bad stuff about your personality and bad stuff about how you present your content. Do not get discouraged by those kind of people. And don't pay attention to all those misconceptions about how to make money on YouTube. It is possible and you can do it very, very quickly. If you have had any experiences with monetization, let me know in the comment section below. What strategies have you used? What have worked and what haven't? Also, don't forget to check out my video on the screen right now because that's the video that YouTube thinks you should watch next.